Imagine standing in complete darkness, no stars, no sunrise, no colors, and no shadows. For billions of years after the universe was born, the cosmos was a strange and mysterious place. Matter existed, energy moved through space, but the universe was not yet filled with the brilliant light we see today. Eventually, gravity gathered clouds of hydrogen gas. These clouds collapsed and ignited the first stars. In that moment, the universe changed forever. Light began traveling across the cosmos, carrying energy, information, and the history of everything that has ever existed. Light is more than illumination. It is a messenger of the universe. Every star we see in the night sky sends light across enormous distances, sometimes traveling millions or even billions of years before reaching our eyes. When astronomers observe distant galaxies, they are not just looking at objects in the space, they are looking back in the time. The light reaching our telescopes today may have left its source long before human civilization even existed. This remarkable property makes light one of the most powerful tools scientists have for understanding the universe. But the deeper we study light, the stranger it becomes. Is it a wave? Is it a particle? Why does this it travel at such an incredible speed? These questions have puzzled scientists for centuries, leading to discoveries that transformed physics, technology, and our understanding of reality itself. Long before telescopes and laboratories existed, humans were fascinated by the light. Ancient civilizations worshipped the sun because it provided warmth, growth, and the life. The Egyptians built temples aligned with the sunrise. The Mayans designed pyramids that cast symbolic shadows during equinoxes. To them, light was divine, but philosophers began asking deeper questions. Greek thinkers debated how vision works. Some believed that light came from the eyes themselves. This idea, known as emission theory, seemed reasonable because vision feels immediate. Others argued that light must come from the external sources and enter the eyes. This theory eventually proved correct. This debate represents one of the earliest attempts to understand the nature of perception and the reality. Over time, experiments revealed that light travels from objects into our eyes, allowing us to see the world around us. Yet, even after solving this mystery, scientists still had no clear answer to this deeper question. What exactly is the light? One of the most Astonishing discoveries in the physics is the speed of light. Light moves at approximately 3 lakhs kilometers per second. At this speed, light could circle the Earth more than 7 times in a single second. When sunlight reaches Earth, it has traveled for about 8 minutes through the space. This speed is so important that it defines the structure of space and the time itself. Nothing with mass can travel faster than the light. This universal speed limit plays a central role in the modern physics and shapes our understanding of the universe. For centuries, scientists debated whether light behaves like a wave or a particle. Experiments showed that light spreads out like waves in the water, creating patterns of interference. But later experiments demonstrated that light can also behave like tiny particles called photons. This strange phenomenon is known as wave-particle duality. Light doesn't fit neatly into classical categories. Instead, it behaves according to the unusual rules of quantum mechanics. This discovery forced scientists to rethink their understanding of matter and the energy. The colors we see represents only a tiny portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. Beyond visible light lies many other forms of radiation. Infrared radiation carries heat. Ultraviolet light influences biological processes. X-rays allow doctors to see inside the human body. Gamma rays are produced by some of the most energetic events in the universe. These discoveries revealed that most of the universe is invisible to human eyes. Technology allows us to observe these hidden wavelengths, expanding our perception of reality. In the early 20th century, Albert Einstein revolutionized physics. His theory of relativity showed that the speed of light is constant and the fundamental to the structure of the universe. Einstein also explained the photoelectric effect, proving that light behaves like the particles. These discoveries helped launch the field of quantum physics. Einstein's work demonstrated that light is deeply connected to the nature of space, time, and energy. Life on the Earth depends on sunlight. Through photosynthesis, plants convert lights into chemical energy. This energy supports ecosystems across the planet. Without sunlight, Earth would become a frozen world without oxygen or food. In this sense, every living organism ultimately relies on light. The sun acts as a cosmic engine that powers life on the Earth. Modern civilization relies heavily on light-based technologies. Fiber optic cables transmit information using pulses of the light. Lasers enable precise manufacturing and medical procedures. Solar panels convert sunlight into electricity. Light has become a powerful tool for the communication, energy, and innovation. Despite its benefits, light also has negative effects when used improperly. Excess artificial lighting causes light pollution, hiding stars from the urban skies. Ultraviolet radiation can damage biological tissues. These challenges highlight the importance of responsible technological development. Scientists are now designing smarter lighting systems that reduces environmental impact. Researchers are exploring new technologies based on light. Photonic computers may process information faster than electronic ones. Quantum communication could enable perfectly secure data transmission. Even space travel may use powerful lasers for propulsion. The future of science may be shaped by our ability to harness light in new ways. Throughout history, light has symbolized knowledge and discovery. From ancient philosophers to modern physicists, humanity has sought to understand the nature of illumination. Every scientific discovery brings new light to the unknown. The universe is filled with mysteries waiting to be revealed, and light remains one of our greatest tools for exploring the cosmos. The light as a knowledge. Light symbolizes truth and discovery. Scientists and the science reveals the universe through light. Curiosity drives new discoveries. The story of light is still unfolding.